Right, today we want to talk about circle geometry. Circle geometry. And I want to talk about theorems of circle geometry. So I'm going to talk about the first theory, which is symbol. Right, the first theory, it says angle formed by diameter to the circumference is always 90 degrees, which means any angle formed by a diameter going to the circumference always is 90. So let me draw the circle. Here is the circle, right? And this is our center. Then what is a diameter? A diameter is a line passes through the center from the circumference to the what? To the circumference. This is what? This is diameter. And an angle formed by this diameter to the circumference is always 90 degrees. Is always 90 degrees. For example, you are given 50 here. You are given 50, and this is A, this is B, this is C, and you are given 50 degrees here. All right. The first question, it says calculate. For example, calculate angle B A C. Then item 2, it says calculate A C B. This is our question. So my advice to you, before even answering the question or before looking at the questions, you must first of all fill each and every gap in the circle geometry question. Right. So our theory here is saying angle formed by diameter to the circumference is always 90 degrees. The word always here, it means every second of a minute, which means each time is 90 degrees. Any angle formed by this diameter to the circumference is always 90 degrees. Every second of a minute, the angle formed by the diameter to the circumference is always 90 degrees. For example, touch your diameter like this, then go to the circumference, go to the circumference. This angle, diameter, circumference, diameter, circumference. This angle being formed is 90 degrees. It's 90 degrees. Right. How do you find angle C now? How do you find angle C? Since this one is 90 degrees and this one is 50 degrees. How do you find angle C? How do you find angle C? Right, angle C, we're going to get angle C by adding 50 plus 90 degrees from 180. Why from 180? Because all the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180. When I'm saying interior, to angle S, a triangle, they add up to what? 180. So C, angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus 50, this one, plus 90, this one. Then Yatawana is our C. Then we have 180 degrees minus 140. Then we get what? We get 40 degrees, which means angle C is 40 what? Degrees. Then you answer now. You find angle BAC BAC is 90 degrees. Then ACB is what? Is 40 degrees. This is the first theory of circle geometry. I want to look at another theory, which is theory number 2. Theory number 2. What is theory number 2 saying? Is saying anchor at the center is twice that at the circumference. Right. Is it twice that at the circumference? So I draw the circle again. This is our circle. This is our circle. Right. We draw a chord like this. We draw a chord. Then we locate the center. This is our center. This is our center. Then do this one. Then we can also do this. Okay, I want you to listen to me. Suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is O, because this is our center. Okay, look now. Suppose you are given let me say 42 here. You are given 42 here. All right. Then our question is saying calculate. Question 1 is saying B or C. Then item 2 is saying B, D, C. How do you find this one? So, as part of our culture, I always encourage you not to read the question first, but first of all, close the question, then try to fill each and every gap as soon as possible before attempting to answer any question. Okay? Let me use the theories to answer the question, or to fill the gaps, here. So our theory is saying anchor at the center is twice that at the circumference. Right, let me repeat. Anchor at the center is twice. And the word twice here, it means double. It means double, or in other words, we are saying it means 2 times. It means 2 times that at the circumference, which means our angle, we have this chord, or sometimes you can be given the question without the chord, but in this case we have the chord, which is BC. So this is our chord, and you go straight to the center. I got the center, this one, got the center. This is center O. So anchor from this chord BC to the center. Anchor from this chord BC to the center. Ndo iri kunzi iyi angle at the center is double this one. Angle at the center is double at the circumference. Angle at the center, double at the circumference. Angle at the center, this one, is 2 times. This one, this angle is 2 times angle at the what? At the circumference. So how do you find this one? We just multiply this one by 2, because this one is double this one. Which means this angle at the circumference is half of the angle at the center. Muchishona, tikuti angle iri pa center inenge iri 2 times angle iri ku circumference. Angle iri pa center is 2 times angle iri ku circumference. So what is this one? Tungoti 42 times 2, which is what? 84. 84. Right. Ukabva futi pa same code papa ukaenda ku circumference chero kwa waenda ku circumference tabva apa tikadai tikaza kuti this is 42 tikabva futi pa same code tichienda kudai unongotaridza futi kuti this is our center, so angle iri pa center twice iri ku circumference, which means ichi 42, which is 42. So in this case, tato answer zvedu zvabvunzwa, then sometimes they can ask you the reflex of angle. Let me say this question. Reflex of B or C. This is the reflex. Right. When they are saying reflex, varikuda kuti utsvake angle iri kuseri ishi. Ndo reflex of B or C iyoyi. Iri kuseri. So how do you find that reflex? Unongo subtractor 84 from what? 360. Why from 360? Because ratova seko kango koninya udai ratova chi? Ratova seko. Saka you subtract this one from what? 360. One are the what? The reflex. Then as you can see, take up to 360 degrees minus 84. Right, 10 here, get 6, 9, 16, get 7. Get 1 here, get 276, which is 276 here, 276, this is 276. Right, so we're going to fill B or C. We have B or C. What is B or C? 84, right, 84. Then we have BDC. Let's go. BDC. What is BDC? 42. You write 42 here. You go reflex of B or C. B or C. The reflex is this one. This one. This is the reflex, which is 276. This one is 276 degrees. 276 degrees. I think for today, these are two theories that I want to talk about, and on our next lesson, we're going to talk about theory 3 and theory 4, bit by bit. Have a good day. After watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget also to share to your loved ones. If you want more information or you want us to do online or to join our online group, you can contact us on this number. Yes, the number 078628246. This is our WhatsApp number. This is our WhatsApp what? Number. You contact us on this number for more what? For more information. I thank you. Have a good day. Goodbye.